Hi, my name's Bob from Car Sales Video. You're at 709 Albany Highway, Victoria Park. And we have here, we're looking at a VX 2001 Holden Commodore. Only 154,000 kilometres. Polar white in colour. Ex-country car. Good wheels. Tinted windows, good paintwork too. It's unmarked really. Look at that inside, it's clean. Someone's looked after it. Now this is only 154,000 kilometre, petrol and gas. But I've got to sell some cars. So I've got to reduce it down to $39.90. $39.90, drive it away. I'll also include a 12-month warranty if you ask for me. You have to ask for me to get this. This can't come in off the bat. You've got to ask for me. I work by appointment only. My telephone number is 049999 3656. That warranty I'll give you is a 12-month warranty. It's worth $1,000. I'll include it in the price of $3,990. That's value for money, and you'll be happy when you see this car. You'll be happy when you drive off the lot with it. I've got to sell cars, that's why it's $39.90. Thank you.